Hi, my name is Nikki Griggs, and I am the new owner of Byrdie's in downtown Norman. Byrdie's by Raspberries and Creme. I'm going to show you my new place. I designed everything myself and was hoping to bring my mom's cooking and bakery items to downtown Norman. We have a shop in Oklahoma City that my sister and I own together, and she's going to run that one, and then I wanted to run one in Norman. I went to OU, and so I wanted to bring it here. These are some of the desserts and goodies that we always have, such as macaroons, brownies, cake balls, all sorts of cookies, all homemade. My mother started Raspberries and Creme 40 years ago, and we have brought all of her awesome desserts. Our ribbon cake, which is our famous one, is one layer of sour cream white cake. The other layer is chocolate. It's got Italian cream and fresh strawberries in between the layers, and then whipping cream and flowers. This is our fresh strawberry cake. This is one of my new creations. It's called the Nikki's strawberry cake. It's 2 layers of actual real strawberry cake, and then it's a cream cheese fresh strawberry icing. We always keep the ribbon cake on hand if people wanted to come in and grab one to take home for dinner or for a party. We always have slices of the ribbon cake available with our other cakes also. This is the raspberry and cream cake. This is the strawberry and banana. We make our breads fresh, raspberry, strawberry, and then all sorts of little goodies that I try to make up all the time. We always keep cupcakes and cookies out. Back here is our birthday section / gift section. I've got homemade pillows, not homemade, but professionally made pillows that I designed, and all sorts of little gifts if you had a little last minute shopping to do. Over here, this is gonna be our grab and go lunch area. So you go to the counter and order. We have a full menu for in-house, and then I'm doing grab and go items such as casseroles, soup, salad, sandwiches that we're always gonna keep in the case. It's kind of limited right now. I've got to restock, but we'll keep everything fresh and all sorts of stuff here all the time. And then this is just more of our fun little section and stuff that I made for parties and birthdays. I wanted it to be a really neat, fun spot for everyone to take photos and enjoy themselves. Everybody come down in downtown Norman and check out Byrdie's. Thank you.